Hello students. In last session we learned about the story of camel and Arabman, inside and outside. The word is inside and outside, right? Now in this session we learn new more words like bigger and smaller. Okay, whichever two things given and you have to see which one is the bigger and which one is the smaller. See here. Question is observe the pictures. You have to observe these all pictures, yellow color pictures. Okay. After that, second question is there. So you have to observe these yellow color pictures and put tick for bigger. Put tick for bigger. So whichever things here, whichever objects are given, which one is the bigger, that you have to put right one. Okay. And cross for smaller. Okay. So for the smaller thing you have to put cross mark. जो सबसे बड़े हैं मीन्स टू ऑब्जेक्ट दे रखे हैं उसमें से जो बड़ा है उसको हमें राइट मार्क करना है और जो छोटा है उसको हमें क्रॉस मार्क करना है. ओके. सो फर्स्ट पिक्चर वी ऑब्जर्व हियर द एलिफेंट एंड माउस. इट्स वेरी इजी. Elephant is bigger and mouse is smaller. So for the bigger we have to tick here. ये जो सबसे बड़ा है तो उसके लिए राइट टिक और जो छोटा है उसके लिए क्रॉस टिक. ओके. Here bucket and glass. So which one is bigger? Bucket. And this glass is smaller. So here tick mark and here cross mark. Okay. Bigger and smaller. Now say this, which tree, this one is the tree and this one is the flower pot, like flowers plant in pot. So which one is the bigger one? Tree. Okay. So tick here and flower is small plant, so cross here. Now observe these two home. This one is the 1, 2, 3, 4th floor building and this one is only one small house. Okay. So this one is the bigger and this is smaller. Clear? जो bigger है उसके लिए tick रखना है और जो smaller है उसके लिए cross करना है. Okay. Now next question. This one clear? This is about bigger and smaller. In last session we learned about inside and outside. Inside means अंदर. आउटसाइड मीन्स बाहर. जो कैमल अंदर था और फिर अरबमैन को बाहर रख के वो अंदर आ गया. राइट. इनसाइड एंड आउटसाइड. ओके. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. ऑब्जर्व द पिक्चर्स एंड पुट टिक मार्क फॉर बिगेस्ट. बिगेस्ट मीन्स हियर नॉट गिवन ओनली टू थिंग्स, मोर देन टू थिंग्स आर गिवन. ओके. Instead of 3, if they are given 4 objects, then also we can do this, solve this question also. Put tick for biggest number and cross for smallest number. Okay. Here you have to compare these all objects. Which one is the biggest and which one is the smallest. So here watermelon, mango, cherry. These all are fruits. Watermelon, mango, cherry. So which one is the biggest fruit? Obviously it's watermelon, right? So tick on the watermelon. Now mango and cherry. Which one is the smallest fruit? So cherry is the smallest fruit. So crossing. Okay. For the smallest crossing here. Now see the flower plant. Flower plant in the pot. So observe this all picture. Which one is the biggest? This one, or this one? Okay. So observe the picture. Which one is the biggest flower pot? This one, right? So tick here. Now this and this. Which one is the smallest flower pot? So this one is the smallest flower pot. So cross it. Okay. Now observe this pencil. There are given 3 pencils. Bigger. Which one is biggest, smallest, and this one is the medium size. Okay. Different sizes there. So this one is the biggest pencil and this one is the smallest pencil. जो सबसे छोटी है और जो सबसे बड़ी है और ये बीच वाली मीडियम साइज है. Okay, now here the ball. They are given ball. Which one is the biggest ball and which one is the smallest ball? So here 3 balls are given. So this one is the biggest ball. So take here. And this one is the smallest ball. Okay? जो सबसे छोटा है उसके ऊपर क्रॉस करना है. जो सबसे बड़ा है जितने भी थिंग्स दिए हैं, सपोज यहाँ 3 थिंग्स दिए हैं, इंस्टेड ऑफ 3 मैंने अगर 4 थिंग्स दिए हैं तो भी उसमें से आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो. सो जो सबसे बड़ा है उसको हमें राइट टिक करना है और जो सबसे छोटा है स्मॉलेस्ट उसको हमें क्रॉस टिक करना है. क्लियर? सो हियर द टॉपिक अबाउट बिगर एंड स्मॉलर व्हिच यू आर कंपेयर विद 2 ऑब्जेक्ट and biggest and smallest that we have to compare with more than 2 object. Okay? 2 से ज्यादा जब भी कोई थिंग्स रखी हो उसमें से हमें ये biggest and smallest ऑब्जर्व करना है. ओके? क्लियर?